So boys and girls, we got a lot of choices here. I told you today you are going to be creating things, right? You are going to be making things up. So, are you big first graders or kind of little first graders? I don't know. Are you ready to work with somebody else without a teacher? Yes. That's my question. Yes. Are you ready to make a dance up without a teacher? Yes. All right. I believe in you. I believe you can do it. This is what's going to happen. Turn knee to knee with somebody. Turn knee to knee with somebody. Anybody in your class, turn knee to knee. And if there are not enough people, you can do threes. That's okay. Good. And so I have a group of three here. I have a group of three here. I have a group of three here. Stephen and Lisa are partners. I have a group of three here. And then I have Lisbeth and Dulce are partners. And I have a group of three here. Listen, this is your job. Listen, this is your job. If you hear my voice, clap once. If you hear my voice, clap twice. Each person in your group is responsible for picking one verb. Because each of you have the responsibility to create a little bit of your dance. So you pick a verb, you pick a verb. If you pick the same verb, that's okay. Maybe you have to do it two different ways. Okay? So, and not only are you going to pick that verb, but you're going to think and imagine what you are when you're doing that verb. Remember how I just did it with my dance? I imagined who I was. I was a bird. Okay? And you are going to put it together. Who can show me what that looks like? Serena and Tamara, come right up. Okay. They're going to put their ideas together. Serena's going to say, I have an idea. And she's going to tell us her idea. Go ahead and tell them, I have an idea. Okay. You can ask her, what's your... Sit. That's the idea is sit. Okay, go ahead. And maybe you have to ask her, what do you mean by that? Can you show me? And you have to ask her, you know what? She showed you the action, then you need to ask her, what are you imagining? What are you imagining? Okay, do you believe it? Okay, now try it together. Ready? Let's sit on a chair together. Come back up. I'm imagining I'm sitting on a chair ready to watch a movie. What are you doing? Just sitting on a chair? What are you doing? Getting ready to do what? All right, here we go. Ready to watch our movie. Okay, and what's yours? Ask him, what's your idea? Okay. Can you show him? Okay, go ahead and show. Okay, and then ask him, what are you imagining? Okay, so let's go together. Ready? Now, they can help each other make it clearer. Did you believe his driving, or do we think that we're driving a big car or a little car? You got to ask him some questions. That's going to be your job, Serena. So whoever has the idea brings the idea forward. But the other people have to help that person understand their idea by asking questions. What was the first question? What are you imagining? Can you say that? What are you imagining? What are you imagining? Okay. And can you say, I have an idea? Say that, I have an idea. So those are the two things I want to hear you guys talking to each other about. Okay? So let's put it together. We're going to put it together. You ready for us to show you our dance? Ready? Here goes our dance. I'm going to do 2 times, okay? So did we do our axial? We chose to do that. I chose to go, sit down, go back, and come back. You can choose anything you like. Okay? And you you're going to show. Are you ready? Any questions? Any questions? Okay, point to the person you're working with. Point to your friend. That is your friend. Okay, good. All right. Now I'm going to say, find a place in this room where you have your personal group space. So let's see. Serena, you're going to work here. Joy, your group is going to work here. Stephen, your group is going to work here. Oscar and Alexandra over here. Alejandra, right here. Idais, this is your group right here. And stand up because you can't dance sitting down. Come on. All right. And you guys are going to work right here. You've got 5 minutes to figure this out. So let's get to work, guys. And teachers will walk around and just ask questions to make sure they're on the track. Okay. All right. This is your partner right here. So, in the English group, she's twisting, so try it all together. Ready? Now, who else has an idea? Tell them, I have an idea. Ask them. What is your idea? Ask them, what is your idea? Ask them, what is your idea? Gracias. Let's go. Good. And turn around. Show Daddy. Yeah. Oscar's got to work on his wings, okay? Now, Oscar, let's ask Oscar what his idea is. Okay. Go ahead and say, okay. Ask him what he's imagining. And then we stand back up, okay? Alright, can you guys show us? But you have to really imagine it. If you're going to race, now you're going to be... Can we race in slow motion? Come back. Let's try something different, because everybody races fast. Race in slow motion. Ready?
Okay, well, how could we show that?
Show you the winner. You have about 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Show me what you have.
That's flying. That's flying.
Whose idea is
Flying, come on. Yours was chorro.
All right, boys and girls, let's come back to our carpets in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Can you pat yourself on the back for an excellent first time being a choreographer? Okay. Now, who is the person who decides what is going to be written in a book? What do we call that person? Starts with, all right. So an author is a person that has an idea and writes a book. Now the name of the person that has an idea and writes a dance is called a choreographer. Can you say choreographer?
Choreographer.
It's a big one. Let me think. How many syllables? Choreographer. Try again. Choreographer. Go home and tell your mom, I was a choreographer today. I am a choreographer, and I am an author. I write dances. I'm going to write this word down because it's so special to me. It's a very tricky word, because what do you think this would sound like? Yeah, but in this case, it doesn't sound like choreographer. It sounds like that, like the K sound, okay? Sounds like choreographer. And you know what? When you get a little older, you're going to find out that this sound makes a Do they do that yet? No,
No,
we're not.
they know the CH.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So this makes a F sound, and this makes a K sound. So let's try it again. Choreographer. And the choreographer is an author of a dance. Okay? Now, who had ideas in this classroom? Who had ideas? You should all raise your hand because you all had ideas. Put your hands up. We are all choreographers here.